Hey guys, welcome back. This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So guys, today Vivo has officially announced three new smartphones in China. So I will talk about one of them, which is Vivo S18e. So today in this video we are going to talk about this handset. Like, I will tell you its features, price, and lastly I will share my thoughts, my opinion about this handset, like whether this handset is worth buying or not in last of this video. So guys, please be in this video till the last, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button and then press the bell notification icon so that you people will get notified whenever I upload a new video in this channel. So guys, let's quickly get started. So let's start the video. So first, please have a look at the handset images, guys. So now let me just tell you its quick specifications. So this handset comes with 6.67 inches full HD plus 120Hz AMOLED display and comes with 1800 nits of peak brightness. Now coming to the RAM and ROM, this handset comes with two different variants: 12GB RAM with 256GB storage and same 12GB RAM with 512GB of internal storage, and this is UFS 2.2 storage, and there is no micro SD card expansion on this handset. Now coming to the processor, guys, this handset comes with 2.2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset and comes with a Mali GPU, and also this is a 4nm based one processor. Now in terms of guys, Android version, this handset comes with Android 14 out of the box with Origin OS 14 on the top. Now in terms of 5G, this handset comes with 5G SA and SA support. Now in terms of cameras, guys, this handset comes with dual rear setup. So first sensor here is a 50MP Sony sensor, and which comes with aperture of f1.79 with secondary 2MP depth sensor, and front camera of this handset is a single 16MP shooter which comes with aperture of f2.0. And in terms of fingerprint sensor, it has got in-display fingerprint sensor, and battery capacity of this handset is 4600 mAh and comes with 80 watt fast charging support. Now in terms of pricing, guys, starting price of this handset is $294 US, which is roughly around 25,000 Indian rupees. So now let's jump to the last, which is my opinion. So guys, I would say for this price, this handset is not worth buying. So I would suggest you to go with some other handset. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just drop your question in the comment section below, guys, and make sure that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you, guys.